Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts, and I sincerely hope that you all are safe from the ongoing global pandemic. Coronavirus has forced everyone to stay inside homes and killing time is now becoming a challenge. And to get rid of your boredom, I'm going to show you how to create this face mask made out of paper. Disclaimer, this is not an actual medical mask, this is just a paper craft. The template is available from gumroad.com. I have shared the link in the description box below. For this paper mask, I am going to use a blue colored 300 GSM paper. This template contains only 4 pieces and you can build the entire face mask within an hour. For each piece you need to cut, you need to score, you need to create the folds, and then you need to stick it with the other pieces. So I will show you the process for one of the pieces in detail and follow the same for rest of the pieces. To start with, I will create small pressure marks on the folding lines so that later on I know where to score the paper. Next, cut the piece along the solid lines. Now it's time to score the piece using the pressure marks that you had created earlier. To do the scoring, it's best to use a metallic pencil, or you can also use a butter knife. Now I'll need to put the numbers back again on my cut piece so that I can use it as a reference to glue the pieces together. Now you need to fold the paper. There are two kinds of folding lines. One is normal dotted lines, which represents a valley fold, and you need to fold it inwards. And the other is dashed and dotted line, which represents a mountain fold, and you need to fold it outwards. It's very simple: dotted valley fold, dashed and dotted mountain fold. Repeat the same process for all the 4 pieces, and here are all of them after cutting and scoring off the camera. Now it's time to join the pieces, and I'll be using transparent school glue for this purpose. To start the gluing process, find 2 pieces with common numbers. Like you can see on the screen right now, these 2 pieces have common numbers of 52 and 54. Using the toothpick, apply a thin layer of glue across the gluing flap. Do not apply too much glue, and if you have done so accidentally, use the toothpick to wipe it off. Since this is a thick paper, you will need to let it dry for some time before you attach the next flap. Now with that last flap, our mask is almost ready, and the only thing remaining is to attach strings on its sides. I have already attached string on one of the sides, and this is how it is going to look. I have cut a thin strip of paper from the same blue paper that I used to create the mask. On each side, I'll stick 2 cm of the length on the inside of the mask. And with that, our paper mask is ready now. If you guys like this video, then please do not forget to like and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel so that you can get weekly videos on paper art. See you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.